What if Ramadan made you move, not slow down? Ramadan lasts 4 weeks. Each weekend, especially young people, Muslims devoted to serving in the path of Allah can join charitable organizations to distribute aid and provide iftar for the poor. They may even go to places they have never been before, share the struggles of those in need, and deliver whatever help they are able to give. Today, there are many organizations working to support those in need. By contacting these foundations and volunteering to distribute collected aid, Ramadan gains a completely different spirit and our reward multiplies. Ramadan is not meant to be spent sitting lazily at home because we are fasting. When we look at the life of the Prophet, peace be upon him, we see that many important events took place during Ramadan while he was fasting. For hearts to turn toward Allah, especially young people and those who feel young in spirit, who know that youth is not about age, but about thought and action, this is a powerful opportunity to experience Ramadan in a very different way. Let Ramadan be a month of service, not stillness, a month of action, compassion, and sincerity. This is day 3 of 30 Ramadan, 40 advices. Subscribe to Light of IMAN for daily Ramadan reminders. May Allah accept our efforts.